Hello and welcome to Hire a Pro's National Pro Directory of professional contractors, handymen, and preservation contractors. Contractors and handymen across the nation are advertising here in your local city or neighborhood so they can showcase their great work and services. The National Pro Directory showcases professional vendor businesses by creating a place where they can show you their best work, videos, and websites, all while giving you their contact and business information, hours of operation, and portfolios to earn your business. This directory makes it convenient for you to pull together all the related contractors or handyman companies you need to make informed decisions, read reviews, and see their best work. Just click on the Search Now button to find the pros who are in your city now. And if you want to get bids to help you find it, fix it, repair, or remodel it, then click on the menu link above to post your project now. Hire a Pro is at your service and backs you with our network pros, so you get great prices and great workmanship on your next project for your home or business needs. Thanks for stopping by the National Pro Directory.